I always leave. Sorry. I always put my drink on the hood. I always leave it. Like every day. Sometimes it's coffee, sometimes it's water. Every day I leave it. What's up?
Do you want to film on the road?
Yeah, we're going to film a little bit today.
Yep. Looks like tomorrow we're going to have a new YouTube video.
Alright, so Lydia and I are headed to the parts store real quick. We finally have figured out exactly what the problem with Amber's Jeep, and I'm going to go get a part for that and then change it out this afternoon. I probably won't bore you with very much like automotive repair video, but Lydia's going to go with me, and we got one more errand to run.
Remember how you let me film the other day at Home Depot? I can do that again.
I love it when people don't use their blinkers. So the other day at homeschool PE class, we did a little experiment, and I volunteered to race against a girl, which I am not very fast, but that was actually kind of the point, was I was going to be the slow player in the experiment. But I ran as fast as I could, and this girl's she's actually genuinely really fast. Like, she's a runner, and so she really beat me by a lot. But anyway, so I ran as fast as I could, and I woke up this morning with like a swollen knee, and my hamstring is sore, and it just is really crazy getting old. I didn't realize how much that would affect me as I get closer and closer every year to being 40 years old. I didn't realize just how much that really, I mean, it makes a big difference on getting better and recovery. In the last couple of years, I have also sprained an ankle getting up out of a chair. Now, this is not a bad sprain, but you just stand up and you have some sort of phantom pain that didn't feel bad whenever you sit down. I also hurt my knee this summer in my sleep somehow. I woke up to a sore knee, and it was sore for like 2 days. So something happened at night. I don't know what it was. So Lydia has never been in a parts store before, which is really not that big of a deal, because why would a 4-year-old little girl go to AutoZone? But we do drive old...
I hold.
Headlight, right? And then if you need new wiper blades, this is where you get that stuff. Yeah?
I film.
You're gonna film?
I want to
Okay,
hold
let's...
camera.
4.7 though?
Yeah, 4.7.
I've got the fan clutch in stock.
Okay, back from the parts store. There is my fan clutch. I'm gonna get that put on real quick. Mine is no longer locking up and no longer spinning with the engine, so time to replace it. So the DIY thing is definitely my preferred In a lot of cases, it's a lot faster, and it's definitely way cheaper. For example, this was a $50 part, and I happened to call the dealer to find out how much it would cost to have it replaced, and they said it would be between $250 and $350, depending on, you know, if I ended up replacing some serpentine belts and things like that. So I just had a couple hours to work today, and I was able to get it all done. I did have a little bit of trouble tracking down a tool to help me get the part off, but eventually got it figured out and ended up making something on my own. So always fun when I get to work on my own car. What is it?
I don't know.
Who's it to? Who's it to?
LVB.
It says LVB.
Yeah. Lydia.
It says Lydia? Is that all it says?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Does it have another name on it?
What do you mean?
Who's that?
Another one. Some more balls.
Oh! Happy Heart Day. What's that mean? We probably should have waited until Valentine's Day to open this.
No. I wouldn't do that. Whatever I get, I want to open it right away. Well, we should save it.
We love you so much. Mimi and Papa.
I need
Happy
the
Valentine's
knife again.
Day.
I need the knife again.
Okay, just pull it out. Okay.
I don't know. Gummy bears. They gave me gummy bears. Oh.
When are they leaving? I need to call them on my way.
I get pink and Hollis gets red.
All right.
There's one more thing. Looks like there is one more. Yep. Ooh. What? Daddy, here. Here. Snappy. Cherry tree.
Goodness, this is a box of candy. Those look good. Sour cherries. All right.
Thank you. Thank you, Mimi and Papa.
Oh, you helping me? Here, let's get rid of this one.
Okay.
Can you do some more? All right, here we go. Where are we going?
Errands.
So it's Saturday night. I've been chasing tools and car parts all day, but they've been home, and we're heading out. Hollis, come on.
I'll give you one, and Mom, I'll give you one and him one, but I have to eat the rest.
You're gonna share some candy with us?
One piece, 2 pieces each. Come here. Oh.
Taking your spares with you?
You see Lydia?
Dude, who?
Okay, Hollis, we're gonna wait and see if we can. We're gonna see if we can scare Lydia. Here they come. Here they come. Ready? Ready? Ah! Here, are those from the same dialect?
Yeah, they're all from the same dialect.
So we are at Target as we made another video and about Target, and we are starting in a regular cart this time. See? Regular cart. And we are looking at some stuff.
We need to find a present for Camden. Right, Lydia?
Right. Mommy, the other day when we were shopping for payday, that's the extra gift that I wanted to get with Camden's gift. Get it? You didn't know the first time.
You did not know?
She did. Dad, I think there's something down there.
You want to go down this one?
Yeah, let me see.
Hey, Lydia, what are these guys called?
What? Care Bears.
Not Share Bears. What are they?
Care Bears.
What did you call them yesterday? You called them Group Bears?
Yeah, Group Bears.
Group?
Group. Similar to.
Silly. So funny. Mommy, wait. Hey, Dad, backwards. That way. That way. Dad, go that way. This way. Dad, wait, stop right there. Look out.
Is this for Cam?
Yeah. Oh, Cam.
Does she like Doc McStuffins?
I don't know.
Frozen one. With a slide. That's pretty cool. There's Anna.
You can transform Bruce Wayne into Batman and help him build a powerful scuttler. Wait, into action!
It's really funny because we don't watch very much TV at our house. And so we're over here by the TVs, and he's like super fascinated by this whole like wall of televisions. I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric.
Perfect. Let's see if they have a little poppy to go with it, Lydia, okay?
I got that
Yeah.
sunshine in my
I
pocket.
know.
I got that.
Sunshine in my pocket. I got that good show in my feet. So, this. So, we are at a restaurant. This is the name of it, right? So, this is the name of it.
Kids Bud.
What's the name of it?
Peanut butter and jelly.
You don't know what this place is called?
Hang on, buddy. Hang on.
Yeah, shot. Zoom, 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 zoom,
Overly animated.
zoom, your turn. I do it my way and y'all do it your way.
Hey, Lydia, who's this singing the song?
I don't know.
also have Shazam. Something has it on there. Is it Snapchat that does?
One Harvest chicken with a side of mac and cheese. Can we open it up?
Thank you.
Alright, can I get you guys anything else on here?
I think that's
Looks
it.
good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright.
But there's someone who's torn it apart.